This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a little problem we ran into with our SanDisk Sansa Clip Plus. This is the little MP3 player. Look at what happened. The clip busted off the back of it. There are small little stanchions right there. They're very flimsy if you take a good close look at them. So we are going to try to repair that today. First thing we need to do is to try to trim down the little stanchions there. And we're going to use some diagonal cutters and just trim that down. And let's see here. I think we can get a little closer. Let's take a look at that. I think that should be enough. Okay. The next thing we need to repair it are these small little wooden clothespins. Now you can buy these at Walmart for $2. There's about 20 of them in a package, so you're going to have enough for a very long time. And that's what they look like, and I'm sure they'll work pretty good. So they have a very low profile. That's what I was looking for. There are some clips out there that you can get that are very much higher, but has a good spring to it. So we're going to use those. And if you look closely here, you can see that this part of the clothespin will fit almost into that part of between the stanchions right there. Not quite. It's going to need a little bit of sandpaper, and it should fit nice and snug. Alright, we have our little clothespin here. You can see that I've taken a little bit of material off the end of it. So now it will go right in there like that. And you can see it's going to lay flat. Just like that. So now we got to come up with something to secure it down to the back. What we're going to do is we're going to mix up some of this JB Quick Weld and use that as the bonding agent for our new clip. We just mixed up a batch of our weld right here, and we'll put it right there on our little clip. Alright. Now let's take it and put it right into position here. How does that look? Okay, that looks great. Alright, we don't even need a clamp. The gravity will just hold it right there, and we'll let it dry. Probably about 4 hours, or maybe we'll let it dry for about 24 hours before we use it, just to be on the safe side. So that's all there is to repairing your broken clip on your SanDisk Sansa Clip Plus.